Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to log in cPanel in Hostinger. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and open Hostinger and sign in your account. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the hosting section at the upper part of your screen. And now once you are in the hosting account page, just go ahead and scroll down and find the File Manager. And once you find the File Manager, just go ahead and click on it. And once you click on the File Manager, you should be redirected in the File Manager area and you should find the cPanel right there. Okay? And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.